There's another advantage to bile actually, and we will talk about this right now. Digestive enzymes prefer having the largest possible surface area of food to work on. This is not a problem with carbohydrates and proteins because they are mechanically broken down into smaller pieces by the muscular action of the digestive system. They are cut. As for the fats, they do not mix with the watery liquid in the digestive system. They remain as large globules, like if you add oil over water, it's the same effect. Oil does not mix with water, it maintains in large globules. So this makes it difficult for lipase to act on lipids. So what happens? What happens is that bile actually has a second function, which is the emulsification of fats. And what this means is that it breaks up large drops of fats into smaller droplets, and this provides a bigger surface area for lipase to work on. So this is the second function of bile. A small problem that we're just going to mention quickly is that sometimes gallstones can form and block the gallbladder and the bile ducts. This will stop bile secretion. And here we see these stones. They can be very small, but they can also be very large, up to actually a few centimeters. And if they're that large, they can cause extreme pain.